Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm showing you how to replace the dome light. So for this one, it's pretty much a similar procedure for the map light. You can use a little plastic pick like this, or a little sponger, or of course like a metal one like this. For this, I'll say use like a small flathead or use a metal sponger. The plastic one, it's not really gonna do too well, and I'll show you why. So you can see I got the plastic one. So on the plastic sponger, there's two little indentations on both sides. So one right here and one right here. So if you push it inwards like this, you can see it's not gripping. So that's why I say I wouldn't recommend doing a plastic sponger. So get like a metal flathead or a metal sponger like this. Dig in that corner and pull downwards, and then repeat the process on the other. Almost hit the camera. All right. So this is going to be a little bit tricky because it has like rectangular tips on both sides. So what you want to do, I'm not going to be able to hold the camera and all that, so I apologize. So push back on this tab and then rotate the bulb until it slides out. So it got the little, oh, it's not even on the camera. So if you can see, it got like a flat tip on both sides. And that's for the reason why it's pretty much harder to get out. You got to rotate it, and then this got like a groove, well, a line, which helps it one side drop down, and then you just keep rotating it until it comes completely out. And I got these off of eBay. So it's a 31mm to 16S MD-W. I paid about $4 for this. I also had this in my old Yaris a lot longer than I had the map light. So a couple LEDs blew out. And I've had that for, say, about 9 years now. So these little cheap LEDs do last a long time. So I'm just opening the packet. Alright, I got one out. And I don't believe these are, well, I don't got positive or negative on it, so I believe it's reverse polarity. So what you want to do, this is different. It got like the little pointy tips as so. All you do is put it into the circle on the passenger side, and then put it onto the circle on the driver's side. So let's see, I believe it's reverse polarity, if I remember correctly. So it's gonna be a little bit hard. So let's see. Alright, so it's not reverse polarity. Oh, I didn't even see that. So it's not reverse polarity. So I got the positive side right there, which is very tiny. Let's see. I had dust on the lens, so I apologize. So I got the positive right there. The camera could focus. It's probably because it's too small. Alright, well anyways, I got the positive. So the positive is the one that's going to the driver's side, and the negative is the one that's on the passenger side. So pop it in, and then push it up so it locks in place. Remember, don't touch the LEDs. You could damage them. And it fits perfectly. So then these little two tabs go into this one right here and that right there. And then you just push onto the other side. So as so, and then push up, you hear a click, and voila. And that's how you replace the dome light. So hope that was helpful and pretty much detailed. I apologize for the camera not focusing. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.